Is SJunkie.co really a way to earn $2 per click as it claims on the website, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael, and many people have asked me about this platform because it looks like you can easily earn a lot of money very fast. So therefore I decided to test it myself, and in this SJunkie review I'll give you an inside look and I will reveal some very important details you need to know before you join this site. So before I log in and show you how SJunkie works, let's just clarify something about the name, because the website is called SJunkie or SJunkie.co, and it's very close to another website called SurveyJunkie, and some people sometimes confuse these because of the name. You know, some might say that SJunkie has deliberately chosen that name to be confused with SurveyJunkie. I can't say that for sure, of course, but what I can say is SurveyJunkie, the real original survey site, is legit. I've been paid by many times. I know it definitely works. I will also leave a link to more information about that below if you're interested in that. But this is SJunkie. This is very different than SurveyJunkie, and I just wanted to clarify that because some people seem to have been confused about that. So now I will log in and show you what SJunkie.co offers, and there really are some very important details you need to be aware of. So I am now logged into SJunkie.co, and on the front page, or as soon as you log in, actually you'll get $50 into your account just for signing up. It sounds amazing. We'll talk a little bit about whether you can actually get it out or not later. But when you first join in, you can see that it says $2 per click or 18 per invite. So that's what they flash on the dashboard. It means like when someone clicks a link. So if you share an invitation link to SJunkie, supposedly just to get someone to click it, they will pay you $2, not to get people to sign up. If they sign up, you will supposedly get $18 just to get someone to sign up, but just whenever they click the link, $2. I wish that was true because then it would be a really, really fast way to earn. But whenever a site claims that you will get $2 just to get someone to click, or $18 just to get someone to sign up without further requirements, that is in itself a big red flag. But that's not the only red flags. I've tested hundreds of ways to make money online. So let's go over some more details so you know exactly what you can expect. So if you go to the task center, there are supposedly paid tasks, and you can see there's apps and games and surveys. Right now there's no apps for me, and there's some surveys, and for example there are some surveys here, and you can actually sometimes find surveys there. This has nothing to do with a survey. This is just an offer you should stay away from. But here they claim that you will get $53 for one survey. I can tell you, I've taken thousands of paid surveys online, and you might once in a while, very, very rarely find a survey that pays this much, but that would be a very specialized survey for a very specific target group. Usually you can earn somewhere between 50 cents and $5 for a survey, depending on the country you live in, depending on the survey you take and everything. I'll leave a link in the top corner to a video I have about the highest paying survey size, but 53, you know that, especially for this survey provider there, so you know that is a big red flag when they claim you can get that much. That's one thing. Another thing is then they say, like, if I just do 4 tasks below, then I'll get $400 extra. Just do 4 tasks. No, again, if you ever tried get paid to sites before, you know that a reward like this, it is not sustainable for them. They would never be able to pay out this much. I know a lot about what we can earn and get paid to sites, because I know a lot about also what they get paid to sites themselves earn for different tasks. And to give you $400 if you completed 4 surveys, for example, they would lose a lot of money. And of course, that's not sustainable. So something strange is going on here. So what's then going on? Well, let's talk a little bit more about that. First, let's talk about what others says, because you will hear me being very critical for very good reasons, because I have a lot of experiences with sites like this, but you can also find a lot of different reviews and posts online that talk nicely about SJunkie. So let's start by going over why that is. Why do some people claim they can earn hundreds of dollars here per day? So one reason is that they have this social tab where supposedly you will get $35 just for posting about SJunkie on Facebook or Instagram, and YouTube, you know, $55 if you make a legit video, or $75 if you make a TikTok about SJunkie. Again, this is completely ridiculous earning claims. Of course, you will not get $35 just for making a Facebook post. They have no idea how many followers you have, what you'll write, anything like that. This is ridiculous, but people naively think that this is possible, and then they will share it, and that's why you will see different posts and things like this online. So again, it's just, you can't trust it. If anyone says that they have actually seen good results, I can guarantee you none of those have actually been paid. They just desperately think that by keep earning, because they will keep having more requirements. You need to invite this many, you need to earn this much before you can cash out, and it just keeps going around like that, and keep people like being desperate to just like, okay, then I'll post some more and then they will pay me. But they won't. Let me just reveal that right away. But there is also one more thing that is a red flag, because there's a lot of fake reviews also. These are fake posts and things like that you can find on social media by people just saying whatever to maybe get paid, which they won't. But they also have some issues with proven fake reviews. So let's go over that also. So you see, for example, if you go to Trustpilot, SJunkie has 4 stars, which is not bad for a get paid to site. However, when you go through them, you can see, like, I have a lot of experience working online, and you can just see, like, these are just clearly fake. You know, this is a legit website I ever worked. Like, what? And then you see they come like every few hours. There's like these amazing 5-star reviews. That's just not realistic for a get paid to site. And then when you go to the ones that are actually like really, they say like, see, I should have been paid $1,200, but I haven't. No, of course you will never. Sorry, but you won't. And there's a few others like that. You see, like, I wouldn't get paid, or I didn't get paid. No, of course you don't, because they don't pay, right? And at the very top, see, warning, we've detected misuse on this page. So this is not just something that I'm making up, that these are fake reviews. It's clear to see, if you have like any experience working online, that many of these reviews are fake. But anyways, you see, they even officially have said on Trustpilot that they've detected a number of fake reviews for this company, and they removed them. But they will remove further if they detect more. But they keep coming, these reviews, every few hours, so it's difficult to actually catch up with that and delete all of them. But this is clear. Even Trustpilot itself says, like, they're fake reviews, be careful what you believe. Okay, to sum it all up, SJunkie is a complete waste of time. You will not get paid. They're using fake reviews, extremely exaggerated earning claims, and you should not waste your time, because you will not get paid, and you should definitely not invite others. They will keep pushing you to invite others and say like, oh, if you just invite this many, then we'll pay you. It will not happen. What will happen is, instead, they keep getting people in there that do these tasks and they make money, but you and the friends you invite will never get paid. So do not invite friends, because you will never get paid anyways, and they will also just end up wasting their time. So if you already did invite people, then share this video with them and tell them to stop wasting the time, because they will just keep doing the same, and that's how SJunkie keeps getting new members. But it is a complete waste of time. If you want to make money online with, for example, downloading apps, taking paid service, there are many better options. I'll leave links below to some legit options that are proven to work, but you will not get $2 per click or $18 to get people to sign up, or $50+ for one survey. That's not realistic, and you have to be realistic if you want to make money online. But as mentioned, I'll leave links to some realistic methods below, so you can check that out instead. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.